Hello and welcome to episode number 2 in my Metroidvania course demo series. Let's continue and have a look at the features you will learn how to implement when you enroll in this course. Let's start. Next in the course, you will learn how to import your hero graphics into the game by using the animated sprite node. And also, you will learn how to make sure that the graphics is displayed as pixel art so it won't be blurry. Secondly, you're going to learn how to create a simple room. So there's an environment where we can try out the movement controls we are going to implement for the hero. This was all for episode 2. In a day or two, we will continue in episode number 3. See you there!